Hello YouTube. Quick look at a few cars we didn't get a chance to look at last time. First up, this is Johnny Lightning that I purchased loose. Which they released this a bunch of times recently in the Golf Deco and a few other liveries. But I'm partial to the Toyota livery. Would love to have the one that doesn't have the roof rack with the Toyota livery on it, but it goes for quite a bit. A lot of detail under the hood. Got the air cleaner. Clearly tell it's looks like it's an inline engine. Assuming an inline 6. Got the battery. Got the front brush guard. A winch. Detailed shovel. 3 gas cans. Really detailed rear. Got a ladder. Tire. Spare tire, which is a real spare tire. Got the breather tube. The snorkel. Really happy to add it to the collection. Next, we got the first Dydo in my collection, which I'm pretty sure is made by Kyosho. It comes with the same packaging as some Kyosho. Most sellers on eBay list it Dydo, Kyosho, but I think they just do that so when you look up Kyosho, Dydo comes up. Get a really detailed rear end. DYT kit stands for the Dydo kit. Got to put these together. Just pretty much got to slap the interior in it and put the rims on it. I heavy metal backwashed a couple of these rims. Maybe not on a Dydo, but he did on some other brands, and man, it really brings out the detail. I don't know why they just can't do that from the factory. Just send them down a line where they all get washed, bring out the detail in them. Really nice lensed headlights. Get 4 headlights and 2 fog lights, it looks like. Really happy with the detail on this Dydo. Glad I picked it up. It is a, let's see if it says around. These are, well, yeah, you gotta put them together. So, of course, they're held together with 2 Phillips screws. Limited edition 2003-2004 Dydo. Is Suzuzu Bellet 1600 GTR. Cool car to add to the collection. Next, this came from Japan. It was $4.99 shipped. And this is an Audi A3 Sportback. And you get lens tail lights. Lens headlights. Front end looks really awesome on this. Stereotypical wheels. Rubber tires with tread. Plastic base is riveted together. Unfortunately, the dashboard came loose in this. It's just flopping around in there, the dashboard. A little disappointed about that because it is riveted together. I'd have to drill it apart to fix it, so. This must be a cheaper branded Kyosho, or their cheaper line. Does not have the detailed exhaust like most Kyoshos. Did not come on a base, which I'm not too worried about that. Then this is one I have showed on a previous video. I really like it. Greenlight has came out with a lot of Falcon racing, and they're just really, really nicely done. Would like to get them all. Like to get the truck with the trailer and the Camaro, and then what they got that just came out. I think it's a Plymouth or something. A Mopar car that has it. An old muscle car. And they have the Ford Mustang with this delivery. A newer generation. Get lensed headlights. Looks good with the white rims. Really detailed rear end. I think this might have been in collaboration with Tarmac Works. It looks like it should have an opening hood, and it does. Number 5958, so they made a ton of these. They're not that limited. Does have detailed exhaust tips. That's nice. And it is highly detailed under the hood. Greenlight, they've been killing it on these Japan cars with the detailing under the head, or with the detailing under the hood. Killing it. Really makes the M2s look bad with their opening hoods. Awesome. Just love this car. Probably the nicest Falcon delivery car I have right now. And next we have a, let me grab it. We have a 1968 Volkswagen Type 2 bus. I forgot to open this up. This is from Black Bandit Series 12. On the last video when I cracked open a bunch of green lights, I forgot this one sitting there. Huh. A little bit of oil or something on the roof. Hopefully wipe that off and it doesn't stain it. Don't look like it did. Looks pretty cool. All blacked out. Get the lensed headlights. Door handles and the Volkswagen symbol. Do get lensed taillights, even though they're itty bitty. Black wheels. Don't see a BB ghosted in it anywhere. This might actually be an all black without the BB ghosted anywhere, which I'm pretty sure it is. That's really cool. 5,710. It's not limited at all. Rolls nice. Happy to add it to the loose Volkswagen collection though, which really is growing. Next is a four-door Jeep. This is a Dollar Tree find. I would love to find the Range Rover at the Dollar Tree. The Mercedes they make. No, it probably will never happen though. There are people sell this one for $5-10 on eBay. If you just look at your local Dollar Tree, you can find it for $1. Now there aren't many diecast companies that do the 4-door Jeep in 1/64. Greenlight does it in 1/32 or something, but they don't do it in their 1/64. I wish they did, but this ain't bad. The Dydo, you get the painted headlights, painted tail lights. My biggest complaint with Dydo are the rims and tires, which aren't too horrible on this. I can live with them ones. Most of the time, they're just absolutely horrible. It's mainly the reason I don't buy them. Then this is an eBay purchase. I couldn't find these in the store, and I got 2 of them. I didn't pay very much for them. I think it was like $5.50 shipped. So like $2.50, $2.75 a car. But for something I can't find in the store and lost my patience over, I have to have it for the GTR collection. Tanner Fox is a YouTuber. I think he's only 17. Might be 18 now, but he has a lot of viewers, and this is based on his real car. So, looks good with the green and the black. Love the front end on this. Now, they had a premium version of this, and I think he sold it on his website maybe, but it sold out really quick, and it goes for quite a bit of money on eBay. Would have been nice if they would have detailed out the rear end. I just might have to do that. Maybe put a wheel swap on it. Really cool though. Happy to add it to the GTR collection. Well, thanks for joining me and taking a look at some really awesome die-cast cars. Let me know which one was your favorite. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.